Tonight, we are giving you an exclusive look at the dire situation inside one of the busiest COVID hospitals in the state. Spring Hill Medical Center is overwhelmed with COVID patients. They asked us to show the public what they're dealing with in hopes that you will understand the struggle. Here's WKRG News 5's Devin Walsh.
Gulf Coast hospitals.
She's at 87 now and going down.
At a breaking point.
It's unbearable.
Ambulances lined up outside Spring Hill Medical Center. A waiting game just to get a bed.
It's miserable.
Staff overwhelmed.
This is as bad as I've ever seen it.
As patient after patient struggles to breathe, Amy Sprinkle's 24-year-old daughter Bailey is on a ventilator.
Bailey is a healthy 24-year-old girl. And she's now in ICU. And it all happened in a week, in less than a week.
With the Delta variant, the staff is seeing patients in crisis who are young. Young like 24-year-old ER nurse Matt Osborne, who's been here for 3 weeks. He wishes he had gotten vaccinated.
I was still skeptical about the whole vaccine at first and everything like that, but given with what I'm going through, I'd much rather have a little bit of an extra boost to possibly avoid situations like this.
Osborne is expected to go home soon, but many here will not. The staff is struggling to help dozens who are desperate.
They're literally suffocating.
Nurse manager Abby Wilson says patients are begging for help.
Between breaths, when they can speak, they beg me for the vaccine or beg me to save them, and I just have to look at them and say, well, it's too late right now. You know, we can't right now, but you keep fighting.
We are here in one of the intensive care units. There are 10 patients in this unit, but there are 10 times the number of COVID patients in this entire hospital. It's overwhelmed. At one point, we had to stop filming because the woman, the patient in that last room, just died.
Dr. James Dean says nearly 95% of people hospitalized with COVID are unvaccinated. Beds are hard to come by.
We're almost at a point of triage, field hospital type medicine that you would see in a war zone type situation.
We are stressed everywhere. Overflow areas are full, so recovery room is now a makeshift ICU. The emergency room is an inpatient unit.
Mom Amy Sprinkle is praying her daughter survives.
I want everybody to understand that this is not a joke. It's not a hoax, and it's serious. Get the vaccine, 100%.
Words echoed by healthcare workers who are exhausted, doing their best to save lives. Devin Walsh, WKRG News 5.